I got PS5 controller. As you can see, the issue is on the audio jack. It's broken. So I will try in this video to change the audio jack. I already disassembled controller, so if you don't know how to disassemble your controller, they have a lot of videos on my channel. And I will try to replace this audio jack. It's available on our shop. I will heat from this side, and before I heat it, I just put a Captain tape to protect this button. Before I start, I need a stand to hold the board, and I use this holder from Case. It have high quality pad and high quality clips. I will leave the link for this product on my description. Alright, 440, and the airflow is 50. Alright, the port is out, and this is a brand new port. Alright, let's return the port back or install a new port. The new port is installed, and as you can see, the button is still in good condition. The controller is fixed and ready. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, leave a comment.